Good morning mga ka-Jimsnil. Kanta ulit tayo. Samahan niyo ako sa aking pagkanta mga ka-Jimsnil. As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, wherever did we part. I need restoring just that have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will you love me tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. As breeze with music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, wherever did we part. My love, wherever did we part. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.